As I was saying, I said in my first video today that would be the cue, that they're going to hover around here. Now listen to this, nearly 11 o'clock at night, listen to this. Once again, they're either hovering there, or to the left, or to the right. What is this, CIA? Listen to this noise. It was your own office that told me that it has to be something very serious for them to be up in the sky, and here I am for one whole month documenting that it's nothing serious time and time again. Look, they're just causing noise. Look at this. What is this? What is the purpose of this? Look, right there, right over our estate. Look, as far as I'm aware, that's Secret Service. Look.